Okay, now let's see how to show shelf items. For this, here I am creating a new page. Let's say Bookshelf Popup Pro is my page name. Now I need to get the TNC BookShelf Popup Pro block here. After that, click on Insert Bookshelf Popup Pro, and then select Type. Here you can see all the shortcodes: Bookshelf, Bookshelf-list-grid, Popup, Bookshelf-posts. At first I want to take Bookshelf. After that I have to select shelf items for this bookshelf. For this I have to search using the shelf title. And I cannot select more than 5 items. Then I have to select Open Type. Link or Pop-up. I am selecting Pop-up for now. After that I have to select Shelf Type. There are 4 types of shelf available: Wood Style 1, Wood Style 2, Glass Style 1, Glass Style 2. You can select it as per your needs. Then CSS class. You can add your custom CSS in this field. After completing all of these, click on TNC BookShelf Popup Pro button. Now I will publish and view this page. Take a look how beautifully our bookshelf works and displays all items. If I click on this item, a single image will be shown. After that, a YouTube video. Then image gallery. Vimeo video. WooCommerce product. You can display anything you want. Just create your shelf items as per your requirement and display them here in this exciting way. Now I will show how it works when you select the link type. Okay, here I am taking the bookshelf shortcode again. Next I need to select the shelf items as we did before. Select Open Type Link. After that you will find option for link target. Select the link target in New Window. Then here I select a new shelf type, Glass Style 1. And I keep CSS field as it is. After finishing all this, now I am going to update and view the page. Here you can see a new bookshelf has been added to our page, and if I click on the shelf items, it will open in a new window. So this is how it works. Now I will show our another shortcode, and that is Bookshelf-list-grid. After selecting this, at first you have to select source. Here you can select all sources, category-wise and individual self. If you select category, you will get an option to select your category. Just search and select your category. After that, if you select shelf, also you will get an option to select your shelf item. Here I want to show all items, so I select all sources. After that, you have to select your display type. List or grid. First I want to show grid view, so I am keeping it as grid. After that I have to select Open Type, Link or Pop-up. Here I select Pop-up for now. After that I have to select column. You can select up to 2, 3, or 4 columns. After that you get Filter, Sort, and Search. These options are enabled by default. You can enable or disable it as per your requirement. After that, CSS class. You can add custom CSS to this field if you want. After finishing all this, click on TNC BookShelf Popup Pro button. Then view your page. See how beautifully all items display in a grid view. If I click on any of these items, it will open in pop-up mode. You can search your item from the search bar. You can also sort by default, alphabetically, and by date. You can also display items by category. Now let's check the list view. 2 open types are also available here, pop-up and link. For now I will show the pop-up. If we look at this page, you can see how nicely all the items are displayed in a list view. Now, if I click on any of these items, it will open with a pop-up style. See how it works smoothly. Okay, now if I select Open Type as Link and select Link Target in New Window, and then whenever I click on an item, it will open another window and show that item. Now let's see how it works. Check it out, it works perfectly. Now I want to show you another shortcode, and that is pop-up. For this, I need to select the pop-up item first. After that, I have to select a pop-up trigger type, text or image. I am selecting text for now. After that, I have to write my text in text field. So here I write my text. Let's say this is my YouTube link. And then CSS class. Okay, now if I look at my page, you will see that text here. If I click on it, a YouTube video will be shown here. Now if I select pop-up trigger type as image, you will get an option to upload image, and this image will be displayed on your page. Here I upload image from my media library. And then if you click on your image, it will open your shelf item. See how it works beautifully. Now I'll show our last shortcode, and it is bookshelf posts. For this first you need to select the post type. Posts or pages, whatever you want. Here I want to show posts, so I am selecting posts. After that you can select your author from here. You can also select and choose your category. You can select tags. You can add taxonomy. After that you can also choose your post status. Publish, pending, draft, auto-draft, inherit, and many other options. After that you can sort by ID, title, date, type, rand, and many other options, and select order ascending or descending. Then you will get the custom field. In this case you can set meta key, meta value, and meta comparison. Then pagination. You can turn pagination on or off. Also you can display post per page. After that you can find shelf settings. Here you can select your open type, pop-up, or link. Then shelf items, you can select items on the shelf. After that you can select the shelf type. And finally you can add your custom CSS. After all this, now I want to see my page. Let's see how nicely all my posts are displayed on one shelf. When I click on one of my posts, it will open the full version. So this is how the shortcode works.